Finally, we're here to reflexive commands. So reflexive commands work nearly the same way as non-reflexive commands, where the main thing that we have to do is just drop the subject pronoun. Just like non-reflexive commands, we only have tu, nu, and vu available as options. And the conjugation of the verb itself doesn't change, except for that dropping the S on the two forms of ER verbs. Remember that only happens on ER verbs and only on two forms. Other than that, the verbs are exactly the same. The only thing that changes at all between non-reflexive commands and reflexive commands is that in reflexive commands we have to worry about those reflexive pronouns. It's the only difference. Reflexive pronouns, when they're used in commands, will become a stressed pronoun. This is why we talked about those yesterday. They'll flip to going behind the verb and connect to the verb with a hyphen. So questions 1 and 2. What are the steps to creating reflexive commands? And 2, what do reflexive pronouns change into when put into commands? So let's look at an example. Okay, so here are our basic steps. We're going to drop the subject pronoun and the S off the end of the verb if it's to and an ER verb. We're going to change the reflexive pronoun to a stressed pronoun. And then we're going to flip the verb and the pronoun and connect them together with a hyphen. So we have this beginning basic sentence, tu te brosses les dents. So you are brushing your teeth. And we want to make this into the command, brush your teeth. So step 1 says we have to drop our subject pronoun, and then we drop our S off the end of our verb because brosser is an ER verb and our subject pronoun was tu. Step 2, change the reflexive pronoun into a stressed pronoun. So remember, our stressed pronouns for tu is the only one that changes. Nu becomes nu and vu becomes vu, so there really isn't any change there. But a te will become toi. The final thing we have to do is we're going to flip the verb and the pronoun so that the brosse now comes before the toi, and we're going to connect the two of them together with a hyphen. Brosse-toi les dents. Brush your teeth. So just to compare, our original sentence, you are brushing your teeth, compared to our command, brush your teeth. So put the following sentences into command form. Number 3, nous nous maquillons vite. So we are doing our makeup quickly. Okay, how would you tell someone, let's do our makeup quickly? And then number 4, tu t'habilles, you are getting dressed. How would you tell someone, get dressed? Be particularly careful with the reflexive pronoun on number 4. Just because it's a contraction doesn't mean that reflexive pronoun isn't there. Oops. Finally, question number 5. Translate the following command into French. Okay, so how would you tell someone, wake up at 6 o'clock, using vous?